Welcome back. Still the Van Rap Radio and then do and so on and one and one manguni. If you remember back then, man, there was a track, the track nga Coolfelo, for my story. It's one of the track in Dangarambozori. It really made me fell in love na music wow because it's completely different to all the tracks in Rangaworono the Faka music wa Lavenda. It's one of the tracks that tells a story that cut it deep, man, talks mistakes and all shit that went down. So yeah, all the shit that goes down. The track, when you listen to it, you really feel, yeah, nah, this is life. So I'm gonna play you the track called My Story. I hope fellow can go back and do another track like this, man, because this one was a classic, remains the classic, and is still one of the best. So let me play the track, My Story. You guys can tell us what you think about the track.
Ndishaphuma mga ndishaphuma andiona nini nene bavenda no ndishaphuma ish mamzwa ish ya ndishaphuma
ndandisambulu ndingajena kakatini zothoma samiswaswo ndina majita ripatini ndabona mumwe medani ndamdiva ubvakale nenafaka 6-pack apa unori zvibhare ndamuvhidza ambonzedze nderine ndikonwa black enevo ukonwa mini asazvipfekerengesandombuditosendera tsini harini rimini ndari unwa mini ari storm ndari ya zvidhini ndavhura kula bag ndanchedambi ndagaya queen ndamufara mwananyana sichatoda nautuwa ngambilu ndaruvhaya naye hoyu zoleluwa athomo jaifa mwananyana nopfangadza 4 chimwe na chimwe ndichiamba uvo sokoto show ndari queen ndirelax ndive ndosoko ng'o ndara dbfe to the l to the o usatupela swinga ndere baby we about to go ari handere yeah ndatakuwa atakuwa ndapeta cam chair ndakwala khula bag ena doba russian bear iri hafu ndandonova grande ndendopfananga staffu pinchi yanga ya transyono ngilele ndabda nayo ndina cheri ndina mwalo eshi ndingazivenga mnayo yakule nyana ndari imandi ekhayo ndaimwalisela chitori chauri abene ndina n'wana afanoni ridotiori richifte nyana ridotovuya zvino ngamurau nyana yangaki yarini tuwanini note ndotovuya ni chingwana kezvila ndindirani katransi ndina n'wana ndikodzivalo rizvino zorari abe eshi ndiyagayi ndiyaimana badani mani lakovera tichibayi ndari bebi rikopaka nepa vudzisa riwayi eshi
no man nami ndinibuthe zodwa aziyofana mina it's life no man atuhana ndibathuli mara imandi ndiphethisele mani no imandi sokuliphetisa zilithi mana tonithomela ndibana ndiphethisela
kezvila ndonodziwana ndichivoambara maruku mwananyana naye uvototata notontsvedza achingwa namafungu anokotodo ntalutshedza mpinji kurumela dzicallback chatichana na muya yapedze chivotobele chikucomplaina weni sichavuya ndari ndiyenepo okay ndasata goloyi muzena chamba naye abe onosokotopfumula ofararela lutaha sa muthu anakuhumbula ndivophaswan madaucha rivomera patini roritsininyana nosvika richivojena laitini ndasedza mwananyana ndawana mito dzichikorota ndari khaye kani huna zvine zvakoshota ari hee ahuna zvithu zvote zviright mara zvihono tovori ndanivudza you won't forget this night ambodimfaranga chandari ndikonivudza ngoho mitodzi amboditonana mwananyana ofara na toho ari yeni vava chimpfuna nasigele ndi genius ndichiphasa grade 12 ndandodivudza ova serious ari bhuku ndandichivala 99 ndisabvafi ari tidivi zvithu zvanga zvokhakea zvichida ngapi ndiapa noni ndotangana na muhumbulo ndikopanda zvaga ndikopanda gaulo na vudzulo antsedza matoni achikulire rovaisa ari atikurozvifuna nichimbona ndichikobhaisa atava mukosi muhulu achikulira ari amsori ndarangokhaka adova ari amsori ndari mini ari okay kechi chitori am hiv positive ndaiwana ndipitori am really sorry chiducho chandera muhumbuloni lwa mathomo nizori ndorara nayo la n'wana nditsongombara kondomo.
Yeah, ne. That was Fellow. Kafaran like a track and episode of my story. Nilungona zinyimbo zinarabori these classics of Vanepakala Venda. It's one of those tracks they really talks, man. Gorwanga of Fashitori Chetiane Pandimsu the one up mutu patini because what the apalani six pack nyana ayo chaya or nazwingwe. It's one way, we're in the freeway, record seats and mtitoni. Yeah, man. Matina okodia. Armin, what go domino masimbe? Can go division masimbe tato, ndori. At the one on the post ngom dindini, at the one on the petunia. Asiabu dinoti. Dizunira kosedana nazorgo wanazori. This is one of the classics in. We hope Fellow can give us some of the music like this. Coolfelo, My Story, one of the hit track, man. I can say also, yeah, it was not really marketed the way it's supposed to. But yeah, man, it's very dope. It's way crazy. It's way too dope, man. I'm telling you, it's one of the tracks that already in scenario you should go get it, get it. Trying to find Fellow and check if he can still does have the track, and you can get it because definitely I'm respecting this track, man. I respect Fellow musically, talent, his hustle and everything, man. He's one of the guys that really does it. When you want to do it, he really does it, man. So I'm hoping you guys, you learn something from this track. What do you think about the song, man, when you listen to it? Niko fai hani, ni fila hani, soro kwambi wandizone nani, zuboni sahani, zini kwa mahani kama chiro, ano maduba, niko bonori. Ziturazi buende zi party, otanganana. Zichiko utantana pasi, ukwiti ya zonezo rap, landa ropanga 6 nyana, andofana, mudhikezula, siko zabuya, wana togomela. So that's go chinyara. Yeah, man, and then that's nani dokan suwana ni ngwana ndwa mahungoni. You can comment and then tell us what another classic you think we should take a look at. Maybe you might look at it or might not look at it. I don't know. Yeah, man, depends because some people don't really like us to check out their stuff or promote their work. And then don't forget to share, man. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to click a button on the subscribe. Click on hapo ngoro fika na baputeza hapo ngoro fi subscribe bachipeza baputeza naka kubero go kana kuduro goko aswika hunewa bori ba joina wangu batu bane babori when reach upload the video waskone bazitechelesa bazibona bafa zote bakubona ne sunambu zone riko jina midana riko banyuluda godina zote. This is one of the classics by Coolfelo, My Story. Ndayanduna ndibafuna zone.
Swan mataucha ribomera patini rorotini nyana no shika richibo jena lightini dasedza mwana nyana ndawana mitodzi chikorota darikaye kani huna zvine zvakoshota ari ahuna zvithu zvote zvi right mara zvihono tovorenda nibudza you won't forget this night ambodi mfaranga
chanda right felani ari you won't forget this night Killer the genius. Oh, the woods over serious. So there's about a guy, and this is another quit here because you want to